Let me guess, your bathroom counter is overflowing with expensive serums and complicated creams that all promise the world, but they just don't deliver, right? Have you followed every 10-step routine out there, only to look in the mirror and see the same dull, tired skin looking back at you? It is so frustrating. Feels like you're putting in all this time, effort, and money for basically nothing. But what if I told you that the secret to a truly radiant, lit from within glow isn't in a bottle at all? What if you could get that healthy, vibrant skin in just minutes, using simple, delicious ingredients you probably have in your kitchen right now? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ridiculously easy and delicious snack recipes that will nourish your skin from the inside out. We're going to ditch the complicated routines and feed our skin what it's actually craving. We're about to make it so healthy and happy. So, if you're ready to unlock that natural glow, let's get started. Recipe 1. The Tropical Vitamin C Powerhouse. Our first recipe is what I like to call the Tropical Vitamin C Powerhouse. This is my absolute go-to when my skin is feeling a little blah and needs an instant pick-me-up. It's vibrant, refreshing, and it's packed with everything your skin needs to build that beautiful radiance we're all after. And the ingredients? Incredibly simple. All you need are some fresh mango slices, some fresh papaya slices, and a good quality Greek yogurt. That's it. So, why does this simple combination work so well? Let's get into it. Both mango and papaya are tropical treasures, absolutely bursting with vitamin C. This isn't just great for your immune system. It's a critical nutrient for your skin. Vitamin C is essential for producing collagen. Think of collagen as the scaffolding for your skin. It's the protein that keeps it firm, plump, and youthful. As we get older, our natural collagen production slows down, which can lead to fine lines. By eating foods rich in vitamin C, you're giving your body the direct building blocks it needs to keep things firm. Mangoes are also loaded with vitamins A and E, which are powerful antioxidants that help protect your skin from day-to-day damage. And papayas have a special enzyme called papain, which is famous for helping to exfoliate and rejuvenate the skin for a brighter complexion. They're also packed with antioxidants that fight free radical damage. Then we have the Greek yogurt. This isn't just for creaminess. It's a fantastic source of probiotics. A healthy gut is directly linked to healthy skin. When your gut is happy and balanced, it can help reduce inflammation in your body, which often leads to clearer, calmer skin. Putting this together could not be easier. Just slice up your fresh mango and papaya. You can arrange them on a plate with a dollop of Greek yogurt on the side for dipping, or you can make a beautiful layered parfait in a glass. I personally love to layer them: mango, yogurt, papaya, and then more yogurt. For a little extra kick, you can even add a tiny sprinkle of chili powder or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. The lime adds even more vitamin C, and the chili has its own antioxidant benefits. It's a snack that feels indulgent, tastes like a vacation, and gets to work on your glow in minutes. Recipe 2. The Antioxidant Nut and Berry Plate. Alright, next up is a snack that's perfect for those mid-afternoon cravings when you want something crunchy, a little sweet, and super satisfying. I call this the Antioxidant Nut and Berry Plate. It's effortless to put together, and every single thing on this plate is a superstar for your skin. For this, you'll want a small handful of walnuts or almonds, a cup of mixed fresh berries, like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, and a couple of squares of high-quality dark chocolate, preferably 70% cacao or higher. So let's talk about why this combination is so amazing. We'll start with the nuts. Walnuts are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are crucial for your skin's moisture barrier, keeping it hydrated, supple, and soft. A strong barrier keeps moisture in and irritants out. Walnuts are also a great source of zinc and vitamin E, which are antioxidants that help support overall skin health. Almonds are also fantastic and packed with vitamin E, which helps protect skin cells from sun damage. Now the berries. Berries are consistently ranked as one of the most antioxidant-rich foods you can eat. They're loaded with vitamins A and C, which, as we know, are essential for protecting the skin and supporting collagen. The deep, rich colors of blueberries and raspberries come from compounds called anthocyanins, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, helping to calm the skin and give it an even-toned, fresh look. And finally, the best part for a lot of us. Dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate can be good for your skin. High-quality dark chocolate is full of flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that's been shown to improve skin hydration and texture. It can also help protect the skin from UV damage, though it's definitely not a replacement for your sunscreen. To prepare this, you just arrange everything on a small plate. That's it. No cooking, no chopping. It's the perfect grab-and-go snack to keep at your desk. You get the crunch from the nuts, the juicy sweetness from the berries, and that rich indulgence from the chocolate. It's a balanced, delicious snack that works hard to keep your skin looking vibrant. Okay, quick pause. If you're finding these recipes helpful and are already feeling inspired, do me a quick favor and hit that like button down below. It really helps more people discover these simple tips for healthy, happy skin. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you don't miss out on more secrets to looking and feeling your best from the inside out. Recipe 3: Warm sweet potato wedges with tahini drizzle. For our third and final recipe, we're making something warm, comforting, and so powerful for skin repair and radiance. This one takes a few minutes to cook, but the prep is super minimal, and the results are so worth it. We are making warm sweet potato wedges with a tahini drizzle. This feels less like a snack and more like a decadent treat, but it's one of the best things you can do for your skin. The ingredients are, once again, wonderfully simple. 1 medium sweet potato, a tablespoon or 2 of tahini, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. So what's the magic behind this recipe? It all starts with the sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are one of nature's best sources of beta-carotene. You can tell by their vibrant orange color. Your body converts this beta-carotene into vitamin A, a nutrient that is absolutely vital for your skin. Vitamin A helps speed up skin cell turnover, which means your body gets rid of old, dull cells on the surface and replaces them with fresh, new, healthy ones. This process is key for smooth, radiant skin. And don't forget, the skin of the sweet potato is packed with fiber and nutrients, so give it a good scrub and leave it on. Next up is the tahini. Tahini is a paste made from sesame seeds, and it's a staple in Mediterranean food for good reason. It's rich in healthy fats, which help keep skin moisturized and firm. More importantly, it's a fantastic source of the mineral zinc. Zinc is essential for skin healing and repair. It also plays a role in fighting inflammation, which is why it's often recommended for anyone struggling with breakouts. The combination of beta-carotene from the sweet potato and zinc from the tahini is an incredible pairing for promoting fresh, clear, and glowing skin. To make this, get your oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Scrub your sweet potato well, and slice it into wedges. You can toss them in a tiny bit of olive oil if you want. Arrange them on a baking sheet and roast for about 20 to 25 minutes, until they're tender and a little caramelized at the edges. Once they're out of the oven, put them on a plate and drizzle the tahini right over the top. Finally, add a light sprinkle of cinnamon. Cinnamon not only adds a beautiful, warming flavor but also has its own anti-inflammatory properties. And there you have it. 3 incredibly simple, delicious, and powerful snack recipes to help you get that radiant, healthy glow from the inside out. We made the tropical vitamin C powerhouse with mango, papaya, and Greek yogurt to boost our collagen. We put together the antioxidant nut and berry plate to fight off damage and keep our skin hydrated. And we created those warm sweet potato wedges with tahini drizzle to promote skin repair for a smooth, fresh look. The biggest takeaway here is that nourishing your skin doesn't have to be a chore. It doesn't require a huge budget or a dozen complicated steps. True, lasting skin health starts on your plate. By adding nutrient-dense foods like these into your diet, you're giving your body the exact tools it needs to build beautiful skin. You're not just chasing a temporary glow. You're building a foundation of health that will radiate through your skin every single day. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these recipes are you most excited to try first? Are you Team Tropical, Team Berry and Nut, or Team Cozy Sweet Potato? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you and seeing how you make these recipes your own. And if you enjoyed this video and want more simple, natural ways to look and feel your absolute best, Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that little bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And please, share this video with a friend who is tired of their complicated routine and could use a little glow up in their life. Thank you so much for watching. Eat well, be well, and I'll see you in the next one.